Welcome to an introduction to the House of Quality. The engineering design process is complex. To design a relevant product or system, you have to integrate information from many areas. For one, you have to think about what the customers need. You also have to think about the technical parameters of the design process. Given limited resources and time, what are the things that engineers, scientists, the marketing department, and the rest of the team have to focus on? The design process can get so confusing. The House of Quality is a tool that can help your team. It can guide you through a customer-focused design process. It can help you to be systematic and comprehensive. HOQ can also provide a compact and intuitive documentation platform so you and your team can always be on the same page and retrace your important design decisions. So let's have a tour. First, the Voice of the Customer or VOC room. To create this room, we need to answer the question, what do the customers want from the product or service? The VOC room has an extension, the VOC Importance room. Here we ask, how important is each customer requirement? Next, the Voice of the Engineer or VOE room. Here we ask, how do we translate customer requirements to engineering or technical parameters? These parameters have to be measurable, else it will be difficult to set targets for each of them and determine the extent to which they are achieved. Third, the relationship matrix. Each VOC can be related to at least one engineering parameter. Degree of relationship can be strong, medium, or weak. Relationships are expressed in symbols with corresponding values that will be used to compute for technical parameter weights. In the benchmarking room, we ask, who are our main competitors and how well do they satisfy customer requirements? If we have an existing product, we could also ask, how are we doing with respect to the best in the market? Now the technical importance room. Given limited time and resources, we want to prioritize our design effort. We need to know which technical parameters are most important. Parameter weights can be determined through algebraic operations on values in the VOC importance and the relationship matrix. Another important question to ask is, what should the values of the engineering parameters be? In other words, what should be our technical targets? These values are found in the technical targets room. Lastly, the roof contains a technical correlation matrix. Which technical parameters uphold each other and which ones contradict? Contradictions imply trade-offs that should be considered in the design.